Hi, in this summer, are you worried about your dry skin? Then there is a solution to it to keep your skin hydrated, to improve its texture and increase its elasticity. This is Volite. This contains an hyaluronic acid in a very low concentration, and this is injected into the dermis at different points, which will helps in increasing the hydration, improving its texture and increasing its elasticity. So this is the Volite. This is how it is there are different color codings, and this is available in very thin needle. So you mount the needle, and this contains an local anesthesia, so you hardly feel any pain.